Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Economy questions get easier fast when you track what shifts versus what moves, because that single distinction tells you the Phillips curve answer quickly.
Start at long-run equilibrium, then increase short-run aggregate supply. That means firms produce more at every price level, which lowers inflationary pressure while the economy temporarily gets higher output and lower unemployment.
In the Phillips curve model, lower inflation paired with lower unemployment cannot be a movement along one short-run Phillips curve because movements along it trade one for the other instead.
So if inflation and unemployment both fall, the entire short-run Phillips curve shifts left, matching option C, not movement along it. Well done, option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given conditions and check whether the model shows a curve shift or movement.